Hey, seventh hour, wanted to give you some clarification on checkpoint 5, which this is the last day you have to work on it in class. Under checkpoint 5, under your resources, I do have my sample that is there so that you have that to look at. It's not finished, but it's started. What I want you to remember, before you're finished, on your theme collage, your theme needs to be really predominant on it. It should be really obvious that what the theme is. Secondly, you need to have at least 2 quotes. I don't mean random quotes from the internet. I mean quotes that you find from the book, text that is from the book. So you have to have that, and then you need to have also an explanation of what was going on in the story where you found this text at. So I have 1 done. I would need at least 1 more set like that. If you want to do 3, that's fine, but that's optional. So that's what it means when you're done. So when you get to that point on your Google Drawing, you're going to have that little share button. You need to hit the share button, share it with me. Then you need to go back and open your checkpoint 5 document, which is going to be blank. And then you need to copy and paste the link on your drawing in here. So like I'll look at Cameron's here. Copy and paste this link after you share. Copy and paste this link onto your checkpoint 5 document and then click request feedback, and then you're done. You're ready for me to look at checkpoint 5. Then I'll print it and we'll get it put up in the hall. If you want to see examples of ones that are finished, there's some hanging in the hall, but I want you to remember theme has got to be predominant. You've got to have text from the book, and you've got to have an explanation of that text that you found along with your at least 3 pictures. Remember, be creative, use some tools on Google Drawing, and make it look interesting as well as have that important textual evidence. And I will see you guys tomorrow.